This lamp right here has been an absolute game changer when it comes to this guest bedroom that we have in our household. I truly believe that it has really helped make a difference and make it just look more modern and pretty. So this light is actually going to turn into a fan, and you can actually control it with your remote. Let me go ahead and just show you how we can use this, and then I'm going to walk through how we can install it because it's going to be super easy and anyone will be able to do it. So again, we're going to start by the on and off button that I have right here. And as you can see, every time I click it, it is just going to give you a different type of light. You also have your fan buttons where you can reverse it. But take a look right here. As you can see, the fan blades are actually going to come out of the fan, which I think is super unique, and I've just never seen anything like it before. So it's really cool. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started and show you how we're going to install it together. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start by taking everything out of the box so you can see that everything that it is going to come with. So it was going to get a built-in hanger, a bell, the broom, the joint cover, the flabellum, the motor body, the lampshade, and obviously it's going to have the built-in light as well. That's going to be at the bottom of this box. Ready to install. So let's start with the installation hanger. We're going to put the expansion screw in the ceiling. You'll have the hanger in the cement ceiling as well. Once you have this piece drilled into the wall, you'll then be able to grab those cords and you'll be able to thread them through the bell and the broom. However, we chose not to use the broom for this installation just because we thought it fit our bedroom better without it, as the bedding is just a little bit high for it. Once you have this completed, you'll then begin to start wiring the pieces together on the fan. So you'll have your black line, which is going to be your motor wire, your blue line, which is your light line, your white line, which is your common 0 line, and those are obviously all going to connect together. Basically, you just want to think about matching the colors and then you should be good to go. Once you have your wires connected, you'll then begin to connect your wires to your remote receiver, which is going to help you control how you turn on and off your fan and utilize the lights as well. And just like that, we are going to finally be on the last step. As you can see, it is a really simple process. At this point, we're just placing the caps back onto the wires in which we connected together from the ceiling to the fan. Just like we did before, you want to think about matching those colors. Once we've finished completing the wire process, at that point, we're good to go. Our last step is going to be twisting the bell, which is going to be that round metal piece, and placing it into wall with a couple screwdrivers. Go ahead and grab your lampshade, twist it on, and then at that point, we are ready to utilize our fan. Again, here is the remote. You're going to have a variety of different options that you can utilize to make your fan and your light work. You'll be able to use this remote to install on the wall if you'd like in the holder, or you can keep it off, whatever one you prefer. And again, this remote is going to be able to turn on and off your light. It's going to be able to turn on your fans. You can rotate your fans, set timers, and even choose which type of dimness you prefer with your light. This is such a stunning light, and I'm so happy that we have added this to our guest room, as it just makes our house feel a little bit more homey.